So, good morning everyone, ladies and gentlemen. My YouTube channel is MC Showstar. So, for today's video, it is April 19, 2025. So, nandito ako ngayon sa San Benon. And I'm chilling out for this day to, since it is Resurrection Sunday that our church, our church will represent and discuss some of the important matters. So, it is very foggy. Mahamog ang panahon ngayon. And San Benon is good. The best tourist destination, especially for those with diseases. And the hot spring has so many benefits to the body. So, here I am. But my goal for here is to have church and having an anniversary for the Bulan community. That's all. Thank you. This is San Benon here in Sorsogon, Philippines. Okay, it covers on a lot of trees. And there are cold and there are hot springs there. For now, I'll show. So, nandito ako ngayon sa San Benon, sa Sorsogon, and it is the most visited place here in Sorsogon. So, it covers on a lot of trees and a beautiful nature, and I heard some chirping birds. Sorry of my English accent, but I enjoy my life here, and it is a very beautiful place. It's great. So this is San Benon. That was the okay. Since I've entered here, it's covered in streams. It's very beautiful, very nice. So this was the place for kids. Okay, so this is the kids pool, and it's nice. Maybe a cold spring. I take a pictures of it. Huh? Okay, cold spring. Canteen, kiddie pool. Okay. Huh? Jacuzzi air. So this was the hot spring, medium hot spring, or maybe warm spring. Warm spring, and it's nice. Okay. Or maybe that's a hot spring. Jacuzzi area. Uh, okay. Hot spring area. Oh, that means this was a hot spring that on during the last time my my heart felt extreme pressure here. So it is very warm and people like it. Oh, steam. So it is a hot spring. And that's all for this video. So here I am at the very hot spring, and I see something steamy in here. Oh, from the rocks. Can just visit it out. And the people are having fun. Oh, well, this is the cold and this is the hot. And that's all for today, for today's video. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, MC Shopstar, and have a nice day. This is the San Benon Hot Spring Resort here in Irosin, Sorsogon, Philippines. And that's all. Thank you. So good morning. I didn't expect to be got in this place on cafeteria, so it is marked on like a Spanish style, and this place is good. I am speechless about this place, but it is from the from Spanish ancestry during the Spanish colonial period, and I found it was good. I have no other comments. That's all. Thank you.